Hello and welcome guys. In this lesson we're gonna talk about the WordPress as an introduction. Before we start our course, I would like to introduce the WordPress, okay? So we've got these features, powerful features from their website wordpress.org. Of course, the best feature for the WordPress is that you don't have to learn coding or no coding to work and design websites. So no need to learn Java, HTML, CSS or any programming language to build your website. And eventually you can have a powerful website and beautiful design, same like websites designed by programming, okay? Also, you can have customizable designs. You can customize your website the way you would like, either through themes only or using themes in conjunction with page builders like Elementor, Page Builder, Site Origin, and so on. And also, it's very friendly to search engine optimizations, SEO friendly, and it's very important to get your website rank high in the search engines. And also, you can create responsive mobile sites. And simply it means that when you build your website, it's gonna be looking the same on desktop, same like tablet or even mobile devices, okay? Also, you will be getting the advantage of high performance websites that can be complicated and also fast simultaneously, okay? And also you can manage your website on the go from anywhere, even from your tablet. You can customize your website, you can do it anywhere. You don't have to set for coding, and even you can redesign your website within like very short time, because like you can use totally different new theme or even customize your website the way you would like in a very short time. And also we have the amazing feature of high security for our website through the regular updates of WordPress itself platform. And there are many plugins for your website security that you can be using to secure your website. And also powerful media management that you can create galleries, portfolios, or even you can embed videos, everything through your website in a very easy way, okay? And of course, as they are saying in here, it's very easy to use and accessible, okay? Also, there are over 40,000 plugins that can improve our website and help us meet our needs to do almost everything within our website using the plugins, okay? Also, over 20% of web uses WordPress, which is a very big percentage. And here's how it looks, the WordPress when we install it. And you can customize your website from mobile devices or your desktop. And as you can see, it looks very user friendly. And one of the amazing features of that course is that we're gonna be building our website in almost no cost. So we're gonna be using free themes, free page builder, and also free plugins. And we're gonna learn even how to install our WordPress locally on our computers if we're not willing to buy an online hosting at the moment to try the WordPress. Though I highly recommend that we purchase an online hosting for our website to go online, and also because it will be much easier for you to train on the WordPress while it's online than it's locally hosted. So I really recommend that you start by the online method through any online hosting provider you would like, either GoDaddy, Bluehost, or even HostGator, or any other hosting provider. And if you would like to start with the local hosting by installing the WordPress on your computer, you're gonna find a lesson for that called WordPress Local Hosting at the end of the course to try with, okay? And even when it comes to freelancing, WordPress can be amazing and so promising for its profits. As you can see here, I'm searching for WordPress projects in freelancer.com, one of the most famous websites for freelancing, and prices from highest, as you can see. We're not gonna talk about these numbers, but like the regular task or job in here could start from $500 up to $3,000, or even in euros. As you can see, develop a site in WordPress with bidding numbers in here. Of course, in order to get these jobs, you have to build a powerful portfolio in this website or any other freelance website. And here, for example, also we've got another amazing website that you can search for WordPress tasks. It's called upwork.com, and we've got people per hour. Also, you can search for WordPress tasks and jobs in here. And also we've got Fiverr in here. As you can see, it's starting at lower numbers, maybe $75 or $400, but it could be much easier to get a WordPress task or job in here. Then when you advance, you can start bidding on Freelancer and Upwork and bigger websites. If you would like to have a quick start, I really recommend Fiverr, or maybe you can start with Upwork and Freelancer, but you're gonna be patient a little bit till you get your first task, okay? Here, as you can see, people are offering their services to design WordPress websites someone is offering real estate, someone is offering a professional WordPress website, create WordPress website in here, and also WordPress design, and so on. And it could be much easier to get a job in that website as a starting. And also there are many other freelancing websites that you can google them, but those are some of the most famous freelancing websites. I just wanted to show you how it works. If you are interested in freelancing with the WordPress, maybe later, or maybe you want to start right now. Anyway, we will be getting to know everything about the WordPress through that course. I will be seeing you in next lesson. Wishing you all the best.